kerchief lesson. Kerchief in the electrical lesson. These are the two laws are invented by kerchiefs. That's why there are two laws. First law and second law. First law is called junction law. Second law is called loop law. In the first law, we will have to see the definition of the first law. The algebraic sum of current passing through a junction is the current passed by E is equal to 0. Means the incoming current is equal to the outgoing current, or approaching current is equal to at the junction, and departing current is equal to 0. That is, here you know that algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means the sum with plus and positive and negative signs with variables. That is the algebraic sum. Here our general sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here algebra sum is -1 alpha, -1 ampere, -1 ampere and +1 ampere, and here variable is A. Variable is A. This is, you will have to know. This is the variables, this is the algebraic sum comparing with 0. Then there is a junction. What is junction? Here is a junction. Here is junction. Junction means 0. This side 3 positive 3 amperes. Here this side this side here this side positive 2 amperes. Here in this side positive 3 amperes. But in this side it will go. In this side it also coming inside. So also coming inside. This is also, what is that? Negative. This is 3, 2, 3. These are the what is this? These are the what is that? These are the 3, 2, 5, 8. Here 6 and -2. Minus and negative. It will go to 3. This junction, what will happen? This equal to 0. The 3 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 2 8 amperes is equal to -2 -2a plus 6a. This is the Kerchief first law or current law or junction law. The positive currents and going outside currents are equal here. This is the junction law. This is the junction law. Second one is loop law. Second law is loop law by Kerchief. Here in this figure, in your textbook, this figure is given. In this, three loops are there. First one is A, B, C and F. A, B, C, D, E, F, A is the first law. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. E, F, A is the first loop. That is the first loop, not law. First loop. This is the first loop. Here I have drawn this first loop. What is that first loop? A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This is the first loop. First we will have to do count the elements. How many elements are there in this? Here are 3 elements. First one is battery, next resistor, 4 elements are there. Third one is resistor, fourth one is battery. Here first one is voltage, IR1, IR2, V2, IR1, IR2, V2, IR1, IR2, V2. Later we will have to draw one loop inside the schematic diagram. Inside, this is the schematic diagram. What is this diagram? Schematic diagram. This is schematic. SCHEMATE. TAC. Schematic diagram. Here schematic diagram. In this schematic diagram, inside you will draw you have to draw one loop. That's the clockwise loop you will have to write. Clockwise loop you will have to write. What you have, whether voltage is plus or minus, you will have to look at this. Here E1, this is E1. Here this arrow mark is in this way. In this way means positive terminal to negative terminal, the current passes. That's why this loop, inside loops, sign, arrowhead, and battery arrowheads are same side. That's why you put to plus. Plus E1 is the this. Next if you take this resistor and current, that is IR1. This is what is this? This is the electrical movement. Current movement is this side and the loop movement is this side. Those are two opposite sides. This loop is inside loop side and outside schematic diagram current flow opposite. That's why this put to I into R1 is equal to voltage. That is, you will have to put opposites. Opposite signs give minus. Next element is you will have to look at this R2. IR2. This is I2 R2. This is I2 R2. I2 goes in this way. I2 go in this way. The loop goes also in the same direction. The loop also go in the same direction. Here mark is there. That is the this arrowhead. Here this is the arrowhead. Same arrowhead. What happens here? This is IR current, but not voltage. Here I2 R2. Same direction. I2 and R2 same direction. Schematic diagram loop and this inside loop same. It goes same direction. That's why I2 R2 is plus. Next if you take fourth element, the current passes positive terminal to negative terminal. Positive terminal to negative terminal V2. V2 second battery, that is. That's why it is opposite direction. That's why you put to minus sign. This is the first loop you have to understand. What is that? I have drawn inside a clockwise loop. Clockwise loop I have drawn, which is here schematic diagram is there. Here current passes positive direction to positive terminal to negative terminal. The arrow mark and this arrow mark same direction. That's why you have put to positive mark. And here IR1, this is opposite mark. Here this is schematic diagram, arrowhead. Here the arrow mark which I have drawn, both are opposite together. That's why you have put to minus. Here this is the schematic diagram arrowhead. This is the arrowhead of inside loop. Both are in the same direction. That's why it is positive. Next, if you draw it, this is voltage V2. This is positive terminal to negative terminal. The current flows. That's why here I have put to this arrowhead. Both are opposite together. That's why it is minus voltage. This is the first loop. Next, the next one is second loop. What is that? Second loop. That is second loop in this diagram. Second loop in this diagram. What is the second loop? F, E, D, G, F, D, G, H. F, E, D, G, H. F. This is the second loop in this schematic diagram. Here I have drawn this F, E. This is junction. This is also junction point. Here also junction point. F, E, D, G, and H. This is the and F. F, E, D, G, H. F. F, E, D, G, H is the second loop. Here how many elements are there? Here in this, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3 elements are there. That's why you have right to, this is first element V2 and second element I2, R2, I2, R2. That is I2 R2. This is I2 R2. I2 R2, and here both currents will flow this side. I1 plus I2, here R3. That's why I1 plus I2 of R3. This is voltage. This is also voltage. Voltage is equal to I times R. Here later I have drawn a clockwise loop. Inside a clockwise loop I have drawn. What I have drawn? Inside one clockwise loop is I have drawn. What is that here? First, if you take the first voltage battery, if you take battery, in this battery, and the current flows from positive terminal to a negative terminal. That's why I have given this mark, arrowhead mark, and loop arrow mark also same direction. That's why same direction means plus symbol, and opposite direction means negative symbol. Here next one we take current I2 into R2. I2 into R2, the current flows in this way. Current flows in this way. This is the loop mark is inside loop mark is this side. Both arrowheads are opposites. That's why it is minus. This is plus here opposite direction. This arrowhead and you might have seen that arrowhead and this arrowhead are opposite together. That's why I have given I2 R2 as a negative sign. Next one is third element. Here I1 plus I2 into R2. Here current flows, the loop direction goes in this way, and current flows in this way. Here also opposite direction. That's why I have given minus. This is the second loop. This is the second loop. This is the second loop in this figure. In this figure of textbook here. Later I have told third loop. Third loop, what is there? Third loop means third loop. Third loop means here A, B, C, G, H. A is the third loop. A, B, C, G, H, A. A, B, C, G, H, A is the third loop in this figure. In this first figure, which is given in the textbook. Here, what is there? How many elements are there? Battery one element, second one resistor, third one also resistor. Here also three elements. That's why voltage is IR1, thus I plus R, I2 R3. Here it is I have given. Later I have drawn a small clockwise loop inside the schematic diagram. Inside the schematic diagram, I have drawn a clockwise direction loop. Here, if you observe, the current in this battery goes positive terminal to negative terminal. That's why I have above I have given positive mark, positive arrow, and the loop arrow mark also same side. That's why this makes into positive sign inside E1 before the positive sign here. Why? The current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal in the battery. That's why it flows from left to right side. Here clockwise direction. This also left to right side. Both are same direction. That's why it has a positive sign. Next, if you take second element, I R1, I times R1 is equal to, this direction is opposite. I is opposite flows, and the loop is given opposite, clockwise direction. Both arrowheads are opposite together. Opposite sign gives against signs give minus. Against sign give minus sign. This is I1, this is R1. Against sign give minus. And next to third element R3. R3 here I flows in this way. Then the loop has given drawn in this direction. The arrowhead of the loop is opposite to the arrowhead of the schematic diagram current. That's why which gives minus I1 plus I2 of I1 plus I2 of R. That is I1 plus I2 of R3 is equal to this is it gets to minus 7. It is the third loop. In this way you have to draw and calculate the resistors and voltages. If it is given, substitute in this equation and get the answer. What is the main theorem of this loop law is conservation of law. Conservation of law, energy is neither created nor destroyed. Energy is neither created nor created. Next class I will tell in the practical way by giving voltage suppose 9 and resistor 3 ohms and here resistance 5 ohms. Then if you substitute in these equations, if you add it by using linear equation, we will get the answer. In the textbook, next figure is given. In the next class, I will tell you to. Okay, today, thank you for being with me. Okay. తీసే ఆపేసి
అవతలేదు